I just want to sorry. I have downloading my swimming pool version, but the video is missing right now, and I really trust my other channel, and it made me realize that I should not go on the water again. We swimsuit and we swimming pool, but the video was deleted, and I was so sorry. And I will give you new video. Questioning their opinion. Yeah. I'm already cold with this blanket, and I just wanted to ask you, the deserving people that you wanted to ask for. I was a subscription, Froggy Stuff, and what is that again? Barbara and Ricky, Happy Family Show. Please, you needed to go on season 4. And that's nominated. I really completed it. Mommy, can I do that first? Later, you needed to put a ponytail. Oh, Beth. Yeah, I pulled it off. You needed to comb your hair right now. Sorry for that, because it's Samantha. It's ruining her hair. That's so beautiful. And something acceptable. Reason why, Mom, did you have a version before Daddy? No. That's true or not? No. I have no, she's my first boyfriend. So, that's why she's deserving. What did you say? You're really deserving it. Chelsea. Sorry. Please, sorry. Mommy, did you say that I have a new hairstyle? Yeah. But it's not ruined. Yeah, baby, why, Mom? Oh, hey guys. I'm pretty handsome. Yeah. And do you wanna play with my me? Oh, that was Midge. Yeah, Mommy, that's Tita Midge. Hi, Tita Midge. And hi, Tita Teresa and Tita Midge. Woohoo! And first, but not done. Hi, I'm Chelsea. What's up, yo? I wanted to swim, but the video is crashed. We will be the messy love. Get up. Oops. Get up. Oh, hi. Sorry for that. They are ruining my video. Just wanted to sorry on you. You know, I not exactly do that much. But I love us. And I'm sorry again, okay? Thank you very much. Bye.